Oh, that, you little thief.
What did you just call me? I'm buying these.
Does he work here?
Hell no, he doesn't work here.
Hey!
Wait!
Hey! Over here! Hi! Hope you're watching, make sure I don't steal anything. Oh no, that's right! I'm buying these!
You're not buying those nuts. That's theft. You stand over there and you eat, and you eat. You know who pays for all that? Me. And all the other people who shop here when they raise the prices to cover for thieves like you.
Okay, it's called sampling. I had like 3 nuts.
And your little friend here, dressed like that. Have some decency.
Dressed like what? It's like 1,000 degrees outside.
Like a like a thief and a
What did you just call it?
You heard me. Go home. Put some clothes on.
Whore, huh? Yeah, probably not the kind you like to right? Not quite young enough, I bet you fucking jizz mopper, fucking disgusting rent-a-cop wannabe Woody Allen looking dick face. You, dude. And we are leaving now, but only because I can't spend another second looking at your dumb, hideous face and your oddly shaped head, which is probably the closest thing to a pee on your disgusting, rotting, wilting body, you filth. Die!
Get out of here!